Want to know how to improve prompt results in Kimi 2.5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. The first things first, make sure you are logged into Kimi 2.5. Just simply towards kimi.com and you should be logged in. So we have watched a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once I've done all of that, you should be provided in this interface. And right here, you should be seeing your prompt tab right here. So you should also be seeing its model, just simply select that. And you need to change it to your K2.5 agent right here. So what it does is you can just simply report your slides, sheets, and it should be done. It should make you notes as well. So you can just simply add files just like this and add any documents that you want, and then just simply select summarize and create notes. And just simply select go right here. And once you're done, it should be good to go. It should create a proper note for you. Make sure you also know that this is limited. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.